A vertical garden can completely transform the look and feel of a fence or a wall, and it's really easy to do. All you need is a frame, some pots and some nice plants. The best types of plants are succulents, shade plants and edible plants. Shade plants are terrific in spots where lots of other plants don't grow. Shade plants brighten up a dull area, they bring life, and they actually don't need too much maintenance. They need a really good soil with lots of compost. They like potash too. The best place to grow shade plants is in dappled sunlight, shady light, not direct sunlight. The best thing about a succulent is they're nice and tough and hardy, so everyone can grow them. They retain their water in their leaves, so that's why they love dry conditions. Succulents really like well-drained soil, so when you're watering them, you really want the water just to flow through nice and easy. If the soil doesn't drain too well, you can get root rot on succulents and they really don't like that. Another thing you can do to help your succulents in a vertical garden is put some pebbles around. So it's a bit like a mulch, helps with the drainage and also makes them look terrific. You can even grow a vertical veggie garden. There's lots of different edible plants you can use. Leafy greens, herbs, you can grow some fruit, some strawberries, tomatoes if you like. Most edible plants prefer full sun, but if you do have a shady area, it's best to grow leafy green vegetables. The best thing about a vertical veggie garden is the smell, the fragrance, it smells beautiful, the taste, you got fresh produce, and it looks great too. And that's all there is to it. Growing a vertical garden is so easy, and it brightens up a really dull place in your yard, and you get to enjoy it for days on end.